Hi and welcome. Today I have some Loungefly. Mom got me this for Easter. I'm just kind of getting around to it though. Some things have been taking a while for me to film. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I wanted this bag really bad. As soon as it came out, I told her about it because I'd wanted a Harry Potter bag for a while, but I'd been really picky about them. I didn't really like most of the designs enough for me to get, but oh, I love this bag. It's so perfect. It just screams Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at this. Just look at this part right here. Like, how good is that? Oh my gosh. And I love this. Instead of having the Loungefly badge up here, it has Weasley and Weasley. And it just looks like it's their company instead. We do still have the Loungefly badge down here, but they've got it kind of hidden instead. Oh gosh, I love it so much. Look at all the designs. Oh my gosh, and look, there's the little bunny. So cute. And look at the color, that light purple. So good. We've got a pocket on the back. And look, the designs go all the way around. I love it so much. You know where this bag would look good? At the park. So where do we need to go? To the park. You know what's coming up? Horror Night. Yeah. So we've got a pocket here. So let me get the stuffing out for it. So the pattern runs all the way down into this pocket. It's pretty good size. I think my phone would probably fit down in there. That's nice. Ooh, look at that deep purple on that side. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love it. That's so nice. So cute. Now I've got this one. Let me get it open. Stand up, show you. Here's our pocket. Or, no, that's the inside. Here's the inside of our bag. See that dark purple? Oh, isn't that so pretty? This dark purple works perfectly for the outside of this bag since it's so busy. We kind of don't need a busy inside of the bag. It makes sense to just have a plain color. And then we've got a pocket right here. It's pretty deep. About a regular size pocket for a Loungefly bag. But we've got a pocket in it. So that's really pretty. Ooh, yes. Isn't that so beautiful? Oh, I love it so much. So yeah, I don't have a Honeydukes bag. Those are all Mom's bags, but I do have a Weasley bag. Oh, I love it. The Weasley shop is like my favorite. I love it so much. I love the Honeydukes shop, but there's just something about the Weasley shop. The Puking Pastels girl, that is my favorite part of like the whole area. I wish there was a bag that just had her all over it. I would buy that up real fast. So anyway, we also have the wallet. Yay, matching set. Here's the wallet. We have 3 slots on this side. 2, 3. We also have 3 slots on this side. 2, 3. It just matches. Same pattern. Cute. Yeah, that's our whole set. Can't get all of them. Ta-da! Our whole set. Aren't they so cute? I can't wait to use them. This year? Maybe. We'll see. So yeah. And that's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. Anyway, that's all I had to show you. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!